In this video, we'll show you how to perform an auto print head alignment. If the printing is misaligned, try the print head alignment function. This may improve print quality. Let's get started. First, we'll start by opening the paper tray. Load one sheet of A4 or letter size plain paper. The paper settings confirmation screen will appear. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration. Now, let's print the print head alignment sheet. Tap the Setup button. Tap Maintenance. Tap Auto Head Alignment. Tap Yes. The operation panel and paper output tray will operate automatically. The print head alignment sheet will be printed. The print head alignment is now complete. Tap OK. Check that the alignment has improved. Thank you for watching.